Earth Day is not only a day we celebrate by putting down the electricity across the globe for 1 hour. Nor is this a day to remind us of the issues degrading our planet. But this day is a warning to the humankind to take immediate steps for preservation of our one and only home, or it will be too late, too soon. Action cannot be taken without concrete plans and dramatic solutions. First, we need to spread awareness. In this process, the students of class 1 to 5 are going to spread awareness about the issues which are needed to be done as soon as possible to preserve our
Good morning everyone. We the students of class 1 is going to recite the poem sticks.
That's one week I'm going to recite a poem. Our poem name is I Love the Earth. I love the earth and everything that lives. I love the plants and beauty survives. I love the animals and the fishes at the sea. For I am part of me. Thank you. Wow, that was an amazing performance. Let us invite Group 2 of 1B on the stage. Everyone, we are the students of class 1B are going to recite the poem Mother Earth. Mother Earth, it is we, Mother Earth, home and for humanity. Look after us with care, politics and your share. Humans, animals, plants and trees, let's live together in harmony. Let's live together in harmony. Thank you. As we all know, drama teaches important skills such as confidence, empathy, cooperation, and conflict resolution. Furthermore, the use of drama in education leads to a holistic way of learning and it accelerates personality development. So I now call upon the students of class 4 to kindly come up on stage to present a thoughtful speech on the topic safety. We all know that trees are a very important part of our life. We cannot imagine a life without trees. So, we are here to present a small skit by the students of class 4. There was a beautiful forest with different kinds of trees. A man passing by was very hungry. Oh, I'm feeling very hungry. I can pluck one fruit from the tree and eat it. Yum, it's very tasty. I'm happy here. Next comes a girl. She loves the colorful flowers. Wow, flowers are so pretty. I love these lovely flowers. Next comes the boy looking for a shelter. Wow, there are so many trees. We can build a nest on those trees. Next comes a traveler who was very tired. Oh, it's such a hot and tiring day. Now I can rest under the shady tree for a while. After some time, the man feels fresh and walks away. That was so relaxing. Thank you, trees, for the shade. The next day, children plays under the trees. Yay! Playing under the trees is so much fun. A woodcutter came to cut the trees. The children came running to him. No, we will not let you cut these trees. Why? Trees are very important for us. They provide shelter to many birds and animals. They also bring rain. Trees give us food, shelter and oxygen. Oh, lovely children, I want wood. I will cut these trees. But the woodcutter did not listen to them and he cut the trees. After a few days, the woodcutter was very tired, thirsty and hungry. But he did not have shade to rest. Children saw Thank you for showcasing that planting a tree today can provide shade, oxygen and beauty for years to come. Together, we can make a difference. Let's join hands to protect our planet. Now, I would request Honorable Rekha Ma'am to please come and shower her blessings.
Good morning, dear parents. The class parents must be visiting India for the first time for any function, and we welcome you with our open heart. And your children are in safe hands. They are going to develop like a beautiful class here, and we are going to give them legs to fly, for sure. On earth, they only request us on their birthday, you must be taking them to the toy shops, generally. Have you taken them to nursery, any nursery? How many are you sitting here and taking your children to the nursery to buy any plants? Very few. So, very few. So once the weather is better, I will request you to take them to any nursery, make them buy one little plant, let them help the plant to grow, let them water the plant, let them have a feeling connection with the plant. So important to connect with the nature. So it's a request to all my dear parents to take them to the nursery this time, once the weather is better. There are so many nurseries to search on the net for the Prayagraj. Secondly, it was a small program, but it was good to see our students participating in saying few lines with full confidence. Not easy to stand even on the stage. So by the small programs with 100% participation, our aim is to develop the confidence and to see them shining bright and beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear parents, for that.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your precious words. Now, I would request Principal Ma'am to kindly come and deliver both of hands to our audience.
First of all, a very good morning to all my dear parents for supporting us, for trusting us, and for sending your awards to LPU. I am sure with this little performance of your children, you must have understood that we are trying our level best to give wings, as ma'am said, to your children to fly and to soar high. I'm sure the performance may not be 200% because with academics, our teachers have really worked hard to put in a little performance, but by the end of the session, I'm sure your students will be more confident to perform even better. Give us time, give us space, and the same happens with our children. They are little ones, they need time to grow, and they need time to develop. A big thank you for coming on a Saturday, and spending time with your children is more important than giving them the material goods. When you are here to appreciate them, if you have observed yours, child was looking at you, trying to locate you and to wave you. I think that is the biggest appreciation a child requires. सबसे बड़ा appreciation from the parent. Teachers secondary होते हैं. अगर हम parents बच्चों को positive notes पे appreciate करें घर में, the child will even know that he is on the right path. डांटना is not a solution. It is something which puts the child in wrong habits. The child will know I am doing wrong, I will be scolded for it, and that's the end of my chapter. I think you have to tell him, today's child is more scientific, more practical, more logical, so you have to tell him what is right and what is wrong, and you have to motivate him to do the right thing by doing the right thing. So thank you once again for being part of the development process of your child, and we look forward to your support, to your guidance, to your suggestions in the future as well. Thank you so much.